Honda, getting it done, baby. We just picked up some long tube headers for the Mustang. Super excited to install these onto the car. These are catted headers. You see this? They're catted. Those are high flow cats, long tube mufflers. Shot in the next clip.
A quick thing too, make sure you hit the subscribe button, baby. Hit that bell notification too once you're already subscribed. But if you're already a subscriber, do not subscribe again. It's gonna unfollow you. But let's get back to the video. Picking up some parts for the Mustang. Actually, I'm picking up a gasket. Look what I got in the back. Long tube headers, baby. Baby, I've been having them for a minute, just waiting to get them installed. So we actually at the Ford dealer now. So let me go ahead and see if they got this part. They're supposed to be holding it for me, but let's see, yo. Y'all missed this Lightning, SVT Lightning. Thing was slammed to the ground. They got some nice Mustangs. They got a DT500 and the new Mustang. It's cold. YouTube, we just picked up the part. Shoot, y'all want to look at some of these Ford trucks while we here? But yes, for the headers install, I was asking everybody in the group, and they said I need to use OEM gaskets. So that's what we're using. While we at the dealer, y'all like Ford stuff, I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff they got out there. I believe this is a V6. The Raptor R is the one with the GT500 motor, but this thing is still clean. Then we got the Bronco over there for everybody who likes the Bronco. I do. That's my favorite body style of the Bronco, actually. I think this might be a Sasquatch package. Let's see. Got the window sticker right here. Sasquatch package. Comes with those big wheels. Comes with, I don't know what all that stuff is. I'm not an off-road guy. I'm sure you guys will let me know. This color is sweet. Real nice. Yeah, I'm gonna try to show you guys the new Mustang since we're here and they have it. They got the Mach-E over there. But, oh man, I'm not trying to go outside. It's freezing. Here's the new Mustang, guys. I think this is that grabber blue. This thing looks real good in person. Those wheels. So it looks like Ford finally put the big brakes in the back too. That's nice. And let's see the sticker for this one. This one is 55. It's actually not that bad. Not as bad as I thought. Be nice to see a dark horse to compare it to. And yes, I found it. Thank you. This one is really nice. I like the color. So that's the new Mustang for you guys. It's a little cold, too cold, guys, but they got the GT500 right there. I need to call my friend and see where he's at because, yo, I got the parts. I'm waiting for this man to send me the address. He still hasn't sent it to me yet. So, I'll get with you guys in a bit. Ladies and gentlemen, oh my gosh, I did not get the headers installed that date. It's been months now, and I got the headers installed actually weeks ago. So I'm about to show you guys, ladies and gents, what it sounds like. It sounds amazing. So I will post a video of what it sounds like with me revving and doing some flybys. I have the tripod so I can do it both myself, but it would be nice if I had somebody else to record. So one of the homies, if y'all watching, let me know if you're going to record for your boy. You got me? But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get to it. I'll play the clip of before I got the long tube headers so you can hear what it sounded like before. Time to start this bad boy. Good morning, my neighbors. So what Eddie Murphy say?
Good morning, my neighbors! Hey, fuck you! Yes! Yes! Fuck you too!
The fuel.
And after I got the car for you guys, let's go ahead and get the cold start, man. You already know I'm blurring out the plate, so I ain't even worried.
sounds like. Let me know what y'all think. I love it. Personally, I love it.
Ladies and gentlemen, oh my goodness, it's bee season. As soon as I go outside, I hear, yo, is it just me or do you guys hate those carpenter bees, man? Those things are like this big. They sound big as hell. And like, get out my way. What? Who the heck are you? Flick them, slap them. But I don't be doing that too much because rumor is they sting. So if you guys know if they sting, let me know in the comments. Never happened to me. Not trying to get started, but let's go back to the car. What you guys think? Personally, I love it. I love the way it sounds. It's a true V8, true muscle car. Now it does get a little bit quieter once the engine warms up, like I was trying to tell you guys. I don't know if you could hear me, but okay, I'm about to go inside. I'm getting tired of this thing talking to me. So yeah, ladies and gents, let's get the camera angled. There we go. But yeah, man, I love the way it sounds, man. It sounds like a muscle car should sound, in my opinion. Yeah, it's loud when you start up cold start. They all are pretty much if you got exhaust, but when you're on it, oh, it's going to get loud. That's how I want it to be. But when I'm not on it, yeah, it's kind of loud, but not obnoxiously loud. Only the cold starts are. So we disturbing in peace for maybe 2 minutes, if that. If it's cold outside, yeah, definitely. But yo, that's pretty much the video. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. It's your man, Woe, and I'm out. Peace.